It's Teacher Jazz, and let's have fun in Science Time! Hi kids! In this episode, we are going to create an oobleck. But first, what is an oobleck? An oobleck is a non-Newtonian fluid, which means the viscosity or the thickness of the fluid may change as a force applied to it or less commonly over time. Here is the needed materials. First, cornstarch flour. Buy a 1 pack of cornstarch flour in order for you to have extra flour if you need some modification. Second, water, preferably tap water. Third, measuring cups. If you don't have measuring cups, you can use your cups in homes. Fourth, tray or plastic container. Fifth, this is optional, it's food coloring if you want to make an oobleck colorful. Sixth, the random things or toys to experiment with our oobleck later. The guidelines in doing the science activity. First, do the activity or experiment outside your home. Creating the oobleck is messy. Second, wear your aprons or any old clothes you have since the food coloring might stain your shirt. Wear any protective eye goggles or face shield to avoid irritations of the eyes from the cornstarch flour. Wear your face mask to some who are sensitive to dust particles from the cornstarch flour. Play with your oobleck using your hands only and with some toys. Do the activity with the adults around you and clean the area after. Let's proceed on the mechanics on how to conduct the science activity. Gently pour the cornstarch flour and the water into the tray container. So you can add 1 cup of water from 2 cups of cornstarch flour. That's right. Then you can pour another cup of water for later to adjust the consistency of your oobleck. Now it's time to mix it up. So mix it with spoon or with your hands. Okay, I'm using my hands. Just gently squeeze the cornstarch flour. Avoid splashing the mixture. Okay, add some water to mix it all the flour. Gently push and pull the mixture. Push and pull. As you can see, it's not the perfect consistency of the oobleck, so I added another 1 cup of cornstarch flour, and that is what we are looking for. As I squeeze, as I apply the pressure, it becomes solid. And if my hands are at rest, it becomes liquid. See? Now kids, as we have the perfect consistency of our oobleck, you can now add the food coloring. and begin to play it with your hands. As you can see in the video, that is the perfect consistency of an oobleck. Now let's begin with our experiment. What have you observed? That's right. If you apply a pressure or force to an oobleck, it becomes rock hard solid. But if you just slowly dip your hands or with some random toys, it becomes liquid. It's really hard to pull it up. And when that thing is at rest, look at the oobleck. It becomes liquid. Look carefully. That thing gives pressure to an oobleck. That is why it's really hard to pull. And if we get that object or thing, you can see that the oobleck drips like a liquid. Let's try it again. Oops! And that's it, kids. That is our activity in this video. I hope you enjoy it and play it with your toys. Remember, if you apply any force to our oobleck like this, it becomes solid. And if you squish, it is hard as rock. Our oobleck is solid, but if you let your hands at rest, it becomes liquid. And that's it. I hope you enjoy our science activity, and thumbs up if you like it.